Hey guys, it's me, and today we're gonna be doing slime, but let me go get my other slimes and show you how they turned out. Okay guys, sorry. Oh my god, I dropped two of them. So as you can tell already by seeing this one, this is a clear slime. It's oh my god. Okay. Let's play with the clear one. This is hard. So this one's very sticky for some reason. Yeah, it's sticky. Okay, let's do a poke test. First, let's put the slime out of there. Since there's a lot of glitters on the table, so when I put it on there, it might get glitter. But first, let's do a little swirl test before we do the poke test. So, you can tell it's sticky because look, my hands are glossy. Okay, so now let's do the little swirl. Swirly whirly. Look at that swirl, it's so perfect. Okay guys, so there's my swirl. So pretty. I think what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna have to activate this one. So I'll actually do that in another video that I'll be posting later. But while we wait, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and don't forget to like the video. Because I mean, everybody needs slime video. Duh. So let's put it back in the container. I just got it on my freaking grandma's nightgown. But I won't. Okay. So it feels a lot good. Okay, we're supposed to be like making slime, but I think I'm reviewing it, not making slime. So that's way too sticky. And I'm gonna go wash my hands. So let me go do that right now. Guys. So that was a sticky slime for some reason. But let's move on to this one. This one right here. This is my favorite one. This isn't a sticky slime. This one's nice and fluffy because it has shaving cream in it. Let's do a stretch test. Oh wow, it's going out of the camera space. I like to do those because then right after the stretch test is, we can do a swirl test. So let's just get this. Last two little stretches and be able to do swirl. Let's do that little perfect little swirl that everybody wants. Oh my god, guys. Is the camera just fell? All those black dots that I see are glitter. It's so fluffy though. My slime is always so fluffy. Well, let's put her back in her container. Because, like, oh my god, as soon as I put them back in the container, they literally get... Let's review the blue one before we review the other people. You're probably going to think, oh my god, I'm crazy because I'm tricking y'all thinking that I have 4. Because the other one that I'm going to show you after this beautiful blue one is, it looks exactly the same. This one also has shaving cream, but not as much. Okay. Well, let's put that back and review the last one because I actually have to go. Guys, we're actually not making any slime today. So yeah. Okay. So, 4 slimes. Yeah. Okay, so that'll be it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.